Hey guys, welcome back to PhotoCut. In today's video, we are going to see how to change background using Photoshop. First, load your image into Photoshop, then click on Select Subject. Now click on Mask option in the Layers tab. Your subject is now cut out. Now you can place any background under your subject layer. This is how you can replace your background. But there's an even easier way you can do this, by just using your phone. Start by downloading the PhotoCut app, using the link provided in the description below. After installing the app, open it to discover its numerous features. It's designed to boost your creative potential in ways you never thought were possible with a mobile app. Begin by selecting the BG Remove feature. You will then have the option to choose an existing photo from your gallery or capture a new one. For this tutorial, I will use the same photo. Now PhotoCut's advanced AI technology takes over. It operates swiftly and efficiently, eliminating the need for any manual intervention on your part. And just like that, your image is cut out, leaving it ready for any creative endeavor you have in mind. However, PhotoCut's offerings don't stop there. When exporting your edited photo, you can choose between PNG and JPG formats. Moreover, PhotoCut ensures that you don't have to compromise on quality. It allows you to select your preferred resolution to guarantee that your photo remains sharp and vibrant in any setting. That's all for today, and I'll see you in the next video.